Careful. There's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. You got the trolling motor on. What are you doing?
It shouldn't be on.
Get that in there, yes! On the Neko. Look at that fish. Nice. No? Look at that. Beautiful. Nice largemouth. That's a nice largemouth. Beautiful. Beautiful. Quality fish with the Neko. That fish right there. Beautiful. Right on the top of the mouth, right where you want them. Look how easy this hook comes out too, dude. Look.
So you gotta keep that fish on the top.
That's right. Beautiful fish. What's that, number 5? Look at that. Beautiful.
You're gonna take your pictures.
I'm just admiring the fish.
You pretty little guy.
Beautiful fish. There's one. Yeah, let's go largemouth. A little chunky. That's 3 today. That's 3 today.
So you have one more fish and then you're at 0.
This little guy. I know. There's a fish. Yep. That's a crab. Look at that crappie, man.
That's a small one.
Look at that crappie.
Small one.
Isn't that crazy?
That's one like maybe 3 times that size, and that's one you'll catch when you come out.
Show him the GoPro. That's crappie. There you go. Nice. Nice fish. Chip's got one. Nice fish. Nice.
Back on the scoreboard.
That's a nice fish, man.
Yeah. Not bad.
Come on, dude.
Hey!
All day long, baby. Little drop shot action.
Getting into them.
Nice. So you got that one right over there, huh? Beautiful. Just hit one on the troll.
See how it's staying down up on the top?
Yeah.
You know, walleye are big perch. God, it like doesn't bend.
On the old ugly stick.
On the old goofy ugly stick. I'm on the top.
Here we go. Oh. Oh yeah. No way. That's so awesome. Don't want to cooperate.
Wow.
Look at that guy. Walleye. Look at that. Isn't that great? Look at that. That's a little tiny. I heard the smaller ones are better eating though.
Yeah, they don't get as meaty. You'll get like a good couple plays out of them.
That's what I'm best. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Walleye.
Look at his mouth. Look at his fucking teeth.
I know, this is a fish.
What is going on today, guys? Just a little outro video for you. Had a great day out on the lake today. It was amazing. I started out with a smallmouth, which I didn't catch on camera. Didn't have the camera on me, so we kind of just fumbled around, started throwing baits in the water. We were all excited. And sure enough, I hooked into a decent sized smallmouth, didn't have it on camera. Besides the point, I hooked into a lot of largemouth today, and I got a decent sized crappie. I'm using the Neko and Ned rig, and it was actually a very productive day with that bait. It's the type of bait that you really want to throw in like a very high pressured kind of lake, or if the fish aren't biting, they're very finicky and they don't want to bite. The Ned rig or the Neko rig are definitely an option you would want to go to. I actually just started using them, and I am glad I started using them. I'll tell you, the bite is not very aggressive. So when you start using it, you're going to notice when you get that bite, you're just going to feel weight at the end, the tip of your rod. You're going to feel weight on it, and when you feel that weight, you kind of just want to lift up on the rod because you have it's such a thin wire hook that you're using. I use a drop shot hook for my Neko rig, so it's such a thin wire hook. It's almost like you're using a drop shot at that point. You kind of just want to lift up on that bait, and the hook will do the work for you. You really don't need to set the hook that hard. But it was a very productive day with those kind of baits. I was using a bait called I'm actually not sure what the actual name of the bait is, but it's like a straight tail worm almost, but it's got a ribbed end on the end of it, and it's made by Z Baits, made here in Pennsylvania. Very, very cool baits. Definitely gonna get me another pack of those. But we ended the day today on a walleye, which was very cool. Never had a walleye before, never seen one in person, so it was a very cool experience. Shout out to Chip, that was a great day. Just cleaned it up here, and I'm about to eat it. So I've never had it, heard it's very good. I'm gonna give it a try and see what happens. So thanks for tuning in. We'll get another video up soon, hopefully. Get another good day on the lake. It's been a little slow here lately, so I'm just trying to get as much footage as I can together. So thank you guys. See you next time.